In this video, you'll learn how to add the battery percentage display on your Google Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will be able to see the exact battery percentage in your status bar, allowing for better monitoring of your device's battery usage. Start by locating the Settings app on your Google Pixel 9a. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, scroll down until you find the option labeled Battery. Tap on this option to access the battery settings. Within the battery settings menu, you'll see various options related to battery management. Look for the setting titled Show Battery Percentage. This is the option that controls whether or not the battery percent is displayed in the status bar. Make sure you locate this specific setting before proceeding. Next, toggle the Show Battery Percentage option to the on position. This action will enable the display of the exact battery percentage in your status bar. The change should take effect immediately, allowing you to monitor your battery usage more accurately. After enabling the battery percentage, check the top of your screen to confirm that the battery percentage is now visible next to the battery icon. If you do not see the percentage displayed, consider restarting your device. This can help refresh the display and ensure the setting is applied correctly. If the battery percentage still does not appear after restarting, revisit the battery settings and verify that the toggle for Show Battery Percent is still enabled. Adjust the settings again if necessary to ensure that your battery percentage is now displayed as intended. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.